Are you stuck with the Xbox E100 error? Don't worry, I will walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. By the end of this video, you will know the easiest way to get your console back up and running. The E100 error usually appears when your Xbox One or Xbox Series X is having trouble completing a system update. It's often linked to update corruption, storage issues, or even a hardware problem. But before you panic, most of the time it can be fixed at home. Here are the first things you should try. Power cycle your Xbox. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Then plug it for a few minutes before restarting. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your console has a stable wired or Wi-Fi connection for the update. Then try the update again. Sometimes a fresh restart clears the error. If the E100 error keeps coming back, you will need to perform an offline system update. Step 1. On your PC, download the Xbox offline system update file from the official Microsoft website. Step 2. Transfer the file to a USB drive formatted as NTFS. Step 3. Plug the USB into your Xbox, then start it in troubleshooting mode by holding the bind plus eject button while pressing power. Step 4. Choose offline system update and let the console install it. If none of these steps fix the error, the issue might be hardware related. In that case, you will need to contact Xbox support or take your console in for repair. And that's it. That's how you fix the Xbox E100 error. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it with other gamers who might be stuck with the same issue. Check out my other Xbox fix guides right here on the channel.